Well, how you doing? First off, I've got to say, my God, Norbaz, you're an absolute legend, mate. You really are an absolute legend. So if you're not already following him, if you're not part of the Norbaz army, if you haven't found your way into the sewers yet as a bear holder, you need to get yourself down there because some of the best conversations on Stellar are right within them sewers. What have we managed to do after 3 weeks of pulling my hair out, thinking, how am I going to make all my games work? Nor has come up with a solution for me, and I'm bringing it to you in video format so you can do it as well for your projects. What we've looked at doing is how do we get over the selling an NFT for another NFT? Forget XLM, forget USDC, forget Drift, forget whatever other currency you want. We want to be buying and selling NFTs for NFTs. This enables us to take our gaming to the next level, because what you can then do is you can collect through airdrops, through purchases, you can collect them NFTs, right? And then them NFTs are going to unlock the next level of the game. So then you're going to get to the next level of the game, you're going to need to make a certain collection next level of the game, and so on and so forth. And this is going to be the key that unlocks massive gamification on Stellar. So I needed to celebrate this historic win with you with this little tutorial video. Right, what we've got going on here, guys, is we've got Lightmint. This is the home screen on Lightmint. The first thing that I'm going to be wanting to do is I'm going to be wanting to sell this amazing LumenSwap Versace piece NFT from Sir Cheesley, right? So Cheesley created that for me, bless him, and I absolutely love it. But I want to sell it today for some DriftX02 to give you this example. Right, so you can see here that, first of all, the first thing that I'm going to be wanting to do is I'm going to be wanting to change my market. I'm going to be wanting, he's got a frog in his throat now, to change my market into NFTs. I don't want to be accepting XLM or USDC. I only want to be accepting the DriftX02 currency. So how you do this is you click onto this and you click onto more markets. Here it's going to ask you for the code and the issuer. All we have to do for that is we just have to come to Stellar Expert, DriftX02 NFT. Well, you won't type that in, but just DriftX02. Hit enter. It's going to bring you up the details. We're going to take the asset issuer. We're going to come back, and we're going to put in DriftX02 like that, and the issuer we're going to paste in there, and then we're going to load. And what that's going to do is it's going to load the market, so we're in the right market. We're also then going to ensure we're on the right wallet and obviously logged in as ourselves. So we've got the right wallet in there and that we're logged into the right account. We can double check, right, when we come in here, underneath there, look, you've got the wallet that you are going to be transacting with. So as soon as you're happy with all of that, this is just the basics, right? You'd always do on Lightmint anyway. We're going to come to this sell. Now, this is the important part, and this is the bit that we were just missing, you know, the one fine piece that we were missing just for so many weeks. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm actually, if we take this out, that wouldn't appear like that, right, to start off with. It would just appear blank, enter offer price. I'm going to be selling one. But what I'm going to be doing is, instead of putting a price of what you would do with Drift or XLM or anything, you need to be dealing in decimals, places, because NFTs work in decimal places here on Stellar. So what we do is we work out how much it is. Well, Stellar works in stroops. There's 7 decimal places, right? So 6 decimal places and 1 is 1 NFT. 5 decimal places, 10 is 10 NFTs. Right, so you just have to work it out this way. So I'm putting in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So I'm putting in 6 decimal places and 1, right, which is going to resemble, I'm putting this up for sale for 1 DriftX02 NFT. Yeah, this is an NFT as well. So I'm using an NFT currency to buy another NFT. 1 NFT for the other. We're going to make the offer. Weird, because you would say make sale or something. It's a strange wording, but you just make the offer. I'll put my password in. And then we confirm that on the network. So confirm transaction. That will go green, give us a tick, and that will be up for sale. We're then going to click this blue button, buy this item, just to ensure the blue buy button has popped up. You can see that's successful, right? So we're happy. Now that's just jumped. Do you see that's just updated? Right, if we click buy this item, we've now got this big blue button. Yeah, buy this item for 6 decimal places and 1 DriftX02. So we're selling this for an NFT. Now, what I want to do now, guys, is I'm going to flick across accounts and I'm going to flick across wallets. So, whereas at the moment I'm logged in with this wallet, this is the account that I'm selling this with, yeah? I need to actually mobilize myself, need to log out of here as the guest. I need to come in on my other login. Now I've come in on my other login, you can see there, I'm also going to change the wallet. And I'm going to change the wallet up here in Freighter. We're going to go down, we're going to go here. We're going to ensure we've got some DriftX02 in there, perfect. We're going to click on that again and you see the 3D wallet's populated. So what I've done is I've switched now accounts and I've switched wallets. So the wallet that's going to be buying this is different. You don't want to get cross-contamination using the same wallet backwards and forwards. It will probably fail and you'll say, Ben, this doesn't work. You need to be doing it different wallets. But if you think about this, if you're doing this from a project side, you as the project are going to be listing, your community are going to be buying. So it's going to be different logins and it's going to be different wallets. All we're doing is a representation of that process, right? So we're happy with regard to that. Now, what we can do is we can just drop a quick refresh in there just to make sure everything's updated and we're happy. And I will just go over and double check the wallet stayed the same, the account stayed the same. So we want to be going first of all and checking the wallet. And that's loading. Let's just give it a second. Still loading for us, probably because we're doing a live stream at the same time. Okay, 3D, we're happy with that. We're happy that this is the right account as well. And we're happy that the market has stayed in the DriftX02. All I'm going to do now, because I've done the selling side, I'm now going to be the buyer. I'm going to come down, I'm going to click onto this. As you can see, because I've come into a different wallet, I'm once again having to put my password in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to confirm that transaction. And now I'm buying with an NFT. So, okay, I'm using an NFT. Boom. Thank you very much. As you can see, that's now sold. Close. Check that out. We've now used, for the first time, we're now using NFTs to buy other NFTs. Now, you think about the mind-expanding potential of what we've just done in this video. What we've done is we're now able to create NFT currency that you can then use to make purchases within your ecosystem. We've been tinkering with it at Drift Exchange. We were one of the first ones, along with Noor, that were thinking, okay, how do we create this? How do we make this happen? And now I've brought you a video that's shown you a live demonstration of when we set in an NFT custom currency, and you can set anyone you want. Yeah, any asset issuer for that NFT you can put in and its name, right? And you could do anything within your project that will now enable you to be trading. The key to this, the key that unlocked this mystery is making sure you've got them decimal places. That if you're selling 1, then you would put in the 6 decimal places and 1. If you're selling 10, 5 decimal places, 10. You've got to ensure you've got those 7 decimal places in. If you're selling 100, 4 decimal places, 100. Yeah, you've got to get that into your head rather than putting you've got 10 available or it's not working. If you follow exactly what I've done there, this will work for you because it's been bloody testing my head for too many weeks. I've wasted too much on it. Noor found the key. Thank you, Noor. Thank you very much to the developers. I hope that this tutorial is really helpful for everyone looking to do this on the Stellar Network. Take care. Look forward to joining the video very soon.